start recording in a bit. And yeah, great. Hi everyone. This is Anshuman Basim, the secretary of Sundarban's house, and yeah, today we're going to just talk about some basic important information that all of the new guys need. So let's get right into it. And I'm also recording the session, so it will be shared later on. It will be a very short session, very brief session, only like 10 to 15 minutes. So if you'd like this information, stick around. So Kunal Chaturvedi is presenting. Thank you so much, Kunal. Okay. So we basically have you're all divided into groups, all right? So you all have groups, and in your groups, you guys have group leaders, and of course, you're given a house. Your house supposedly is, I hope so, is Sundarbans, and that's why you're here. So yeah, and then we also have clubs for special interests. So Kunal, can we go to the next slide? Yeah, the house is basically is the group leaders elect the secretary, and the deputy secretary and the web admin. So there's myself, Anshuman. I'm the secretary. There's Nikhil Singh. He is the DepSec, and we also have Abhigyan Das, who is the web admin. So anytime your problems can't be solved through your group leaders, you guys can come to us and we look into them. Okay, next slide. Yeah, and then of course we also have mentors. We have KVH Krishna, Amit Kumar Patra, and CLA Alekhya. These are working professionals, and they're there to guide us. And in case you guys need any help from them, feel free to reach out to them. Okay, next slide. Yeah, so these are the clubs we have. We have an arts and culture club. We have an esports and chess club. We have a finance club, a literary club, oratory club, entrepreneurship club, language club, crypto club, tech club, and the graphic design club. So we have a few club secretaries here with us and people who are managing these clubs. So let's just hear from them a little bit about their clubs. Bhairavi, would you like to talk about the music club?
Yeah, sure. So, hello everybody. My name is Bhairavi Naik, and with regards to the Art and Culture Club, we currently don't have a secretary. Manasvita and I go about managing the activities along with Madhugandha and Utkarsh. We have had some music sessions like around a month ago, and we had two to three of them, I guess. And I guess we have photography also in this arts and culture. Like it's like a complete. Every art and culture is included in this. Previously music club was a different club, but then we integrated all of it. And yeah, we'll soon come up with some more events, and I would like you guys to be active in the club because it's kind of a bit silent. But yeah, I guess that's that. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you for all of that info. Uh, can we go to the next slide? Yes, we have the esports and chess club. So, do we have either Chanakya or Neil over here with us? So, Chanakya is the secretary of the esports club, and Neil is the web admin of the esports club. Do we have any of them here? Chanakya, would you like
Yeah,
to say?
yeah, I'm here. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, go ahead.
So we have chess and esports club. In the chess, we have two groups. One for the absolute beginners and one for the who are more familiar with the game. And we have both groups very active right now with the chess. And in regards to esports, we have everything, whether it is PC or console or mobile gaming, from Apex Legends, battle royale games to the MOBA games, and there are many games. Yeah, Apex Legends, BGMI, COD Warzone, COD Mobile, CS:GO, Genshin Impact, Valorant, you name it, man. We have everything, and it is very active right now. We had Among Us game last night. Yeah, it was very fun. So, guys, I hope you join, and it's very fun for us.
Okay, thank you so much, Chanakya. So Kunal just reminded me to tell you all that We'll share the links to all of these clubs and also the groups with all of you. So don't worry about it. We'll be sharing the links with you. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Okay, then we have the finance club, of course, my favorite. Do we have Celine here with us? She's the secretary of the finance club. I think probably not. So I'll talk about it. The finance club is basically just discussing all things money. Asset classes, stocks, bonds, all of these things. We often also discuss about cryptocurrency, but then we also have a separate club for cryptocurrency. And in the finance club, we have we have this series called the Value Investing for Beginners series, which is presided over by me. Uh, we basically didn't hold a session this Sunday because we're holding this event. But any of you who are interested in finance and value investing, let's see you all on Sunday. That's when our next event will be. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Kunal, let's go to the next slide. Yeah, thank you. So we also have the literary club. The secretary hasn't yet been decided for the literary club, and if any of you are interested in coming forward and talking about, like, just if any of you have interest in just maintaining like an active book club or discussing literature, feel free to join this club. And yeah, and if any of you are willing to lead this club, let us know. We'll let you all know about it. Madhugandha has raised her hand. Yes, Madhugandha. Madhugandha, you have something to say?
Yeah, so just wanted to elaborate the. Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, go ahead. Go ahead.
Hello?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yes.
Go ahead.
So I was just saying, like, we have organized a event on. Yeah, so I was saying we have organized an event on our literary club. It's basically all kinds of stuff. You can write poem, you can write essays, you can write a paragraph. We give a theme, and people submit their submissions on our website, and our mentors decide which one is the best, and all of the best submissions go on our webpage and Instagram. So yeah, that's it.
Yes, thank you for all of that information, Madhugandha. Avnish, actually, your mic was on, so I've muted you. I hope you didn't mind that. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Okay, we have the Oratory Club. So again, the elections for the secretary of the Oratory Club is currently underway, and we're going to host an election debate where like two of our contenders, I think Akash Deep Srivastav and Lavanya Sharma, are going to lock horns and debate uh, to basically try to win the secretaryship of this club. And you're all invited to watch. And yeah, we'll hopefully continue to keep events for the Oratory Club. And yeah, Kunal has something to say. Kunal says, yes, you can follow us on social media platforms to get updated about these events. We have an Insta and we have a YouTube. So on YouTube you can watch all of our previous events, and on Insta you can keep up with all of the latest updates of the house. Of course, we'll also inform you on WhatsApp anytime anything happens. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Yes, the Entrepreneurship Club. This is the Cell Club. The secretary is Umang Garg. Umang, do we have Umang?
Yeah. Can I share my screen once? I have made a short PPT on it.
Yes. Go ahead.
Thank you. Can you confirm if you're able to see it?
Yes, sir. Go right ahead.
Okay. So good evening, everyone. Hope you're all doing well. My name is Umang Garg and I am the club secretary of Easily Club Sundarban South. So let me take you on a journey. 1 second. What is the motive of this club? The motive of this club is to ignite entrepreneurship spirit among the members and providing a platform where aspiring people who want to turn their ideas into business. So, how this journey begins? It begins with an idea. The every big organization you see around yourself, that there was an amazing idea behind it, which is followed by the right planning and right strategy. Then marketing comes into place and finance, and then we get success. I want to also talk about design thinking. So, you will wonder what is design thinking. Design thinking is both an ideology and a process that focuses on achieving practical results to solve complex problems in a user centric way that are technically feasible, economically viable, and desirable for the user. So it has a series of steps that bring this ideology to life, starting with building the empathy for the user, right to coming up with the ideas and turning them into prototypes. So what is the vision of this club and how we will achieve it? So we have planned two things. By learning, we can have open discussions in meets where one can share his ideas and learn together, and by observing, getting knowledge with case studies of various companies and the business insights. So thank you for everyone.
Thank you so much, Umang. That was really informative. Kunal, can we continue with our presentation? Yes, thank you. And before we continue, I'd like to thank Umang for his enthusiasm, and we'll definitely brainstorm on ideas and how to turn them into a reality. Really excited to future events of the eCell Club. We've already held one event, which was on the EV movement in India right now, with a special focus on Ola and Ather Energy, and it was really great, informative event. If any of you are interested in EVs, you can go and check that out. It was presided over by Sahil Sandhu, who is working in the industry. He works at an EV battery manufacturer. Okay, great. So let's move on. We also have the languages club. This club is a little dormant right now, but if any of you are interested in foreign languages and would like to conduct events and have like have like a passion for it, let us know. We'll look into conducting events for the language club. Okay, so let's go to the next slide. Crypto Club. Yes. So the Crypto Club is, of course, one of our most active clubs. Really, really fun, informative, and super fun to be a part of. It's the club secretary is Aditya Sharma. Do we have Aditya with us? I think Aditya has actually gone on a trip with his friends. He texted me earlier, so he's not here with us. So I'll talk about it. So Aditya is basically he's interned at Summer of Bitcoin, and he's also going to intern in the winter at Blockstream. So he's really knowledgeable about blockchain development, and he's been teaching us all the basics of blockchain, all the way from like the very basics on of basically what are wallets, what type of accounts there are, UTXOs, to the very advanced level. So it's been quite a journey learning all of it, and you guys can all check out the previous events on our YouTube channel. Yeah, any of you who'd like to join the Crypto Club, we discuss blockchain development, and then we also discuss like the price movement of cryptocurrencies. So yeah, it's really fun. So invite you guys to join it if you're interested in crypto. Okay, let's go to the next slide. The Tech Club. So the Tech Club is headed by Monish Chandra. And so far, there's been one event on GitHub, and we hope to have more events in the future. And yeah, if any of you have ideas for it about how to take it forward, let us know. We're looking for great ideas for the Tech Club. Okay, thank you. Let's go to the next slide. Yes, the Graphic Design Club, of course. So the Graphic Design Club is headed by Vishesh. Do we have Vishesh with us? Yes, Kunal, go ahead.
So Vishesh couldn't join us for this event currently. So I'll elaborate whatever we have done for Graphic Design Club. till now. So Vishesh is our very newly elected secretary for all of for your information. And as far as the graphic design club is concerned, we have held a lot of events which focus on the fundamentals of design. We talk about internship opportunities in design. We talk about other types of education, and yes, and we do a lot of networking. Like you can find good designers in our club here currently. So there's this series that we have done on our YouTube channel, which you can check out. We have put the link in the description or the chat here, which talks about the fundamentals of design. We have also done an event on poster design, and we plan on doing a lot of events based around UI, UX, web design, and a lot of things in the future. So all of you can stay tuned, and I'm sure you'll get to learn a lot. Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much for all of that information, Kunal. So the series Introduction to Graphic Design is actually conducted by Kunal, who was just speaking, and he's very knowledgeable about all of this. So he's pretty much just as much responsible in leading the club as of course Vishesh is. Vishesh is newly elected, so Vishesh and Kunal are the go-to guys for the graphic design club. Other active members are we also have Ayushi Chaudhary, we have Princey, and I think Vaishnavi. So these guys are mostly responsible for all of the posters that you guys see. And if any of you are interested, yes, Ravi also. So if any of you are Ravi and Presh also, yeah, any more? So if any of you are interested in collaborating and actually working on real life projects meaning projects around for the purpose of this house, please let us know. We'd love to have you on board. Okay. So we have Celine just joined us. Celine, do you want to talk about the finance club for a bit? I think she may have just muted the meeting. That's fine. Okay. So okay. She's here. She's with us. Okay. So meanwhile, I think we can move on. Let's go to the next slide. Yes. So we have all of these houses. The whole reason that this meet is being recorded is that a lot of you are on the Google group and not yet on the Sundarbans 2 WhatsApp group, and not in your respective groups. So anybody seeing this, like, of course, we'll be putting up this recording later on. Anybody seeing this, your first priority is to reach out to your group leader, and we'll basically, you don't need to worry about reaching out to your group leader. We'll make your group leaders put their links on both the platforms. Join your group if you haven't already, and also join Sundarbans too. So we'll provide you with the links. We'll share a sheet with you which has all of the relevant links, and they'll also have the links to all of the clubs. So anybody's interested in joining any club, you guys can do that. But most importantly, you guys must join your own group group numbers WhatsApp group. So and of course get acquainted with your group leader. So anytime you have any particular issue, take it up with your group leader. If your group leader can't solve it, feel free to reach out to us. Okay. All right. So I think that's it. That's pretty much it, right? Do we have more slides, Kunal? Oh yes, of course, the house structure. So again, like I mentioned, we have all the group members. The group members get into groups. They elect group leaders. So you guys already have group leaders because they joined like half a year earlier and they formed groups. They elected group leaders. Then the group leaders elect the secretary, deputy secretary, and web admin. And then of course we have the upper house council, which has the secretaries and deputy secretaries of all the houses. And we also have an executive council now. Just recently there was an election, so we have like one president and student affairs manager or whatever. I don't know. So if you guys face any issue, this is the chain to be followed. you guys have any issue, first of all, reach out to your group leader. If your group leader is unable to solve it, let us know. If you're not able to solve it, let the upper house council know. So mostly all of your problems will be solved by writing to support or student affairs. And if they're not, feel free to reach out to us. Apart from us, there's also the mentors that I mentioned, Alekhya, Krishna, and Amit, and they're also very helpful. So if any of you want any career guidance or counseling, you can also reach out to them. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Yes, you guys can contact the POD team by support@onlinedegree.iitm.ac.in, which is of course like the same way your email ID ends, just support at, and then there's also student affairs. Okay, so these are our socials. This is our website. All these links will be shared. Don't worry about it. We have an Instagram, we have a YouTube channel, and of course we have a Discord. So all of these can be shared. So Celine would like to speak with us. Celine is the secretary of the Finance Club. So Celine, would you like to say something?
Hi. So my name is Celine Saji, and I am right now the secretary for the Finance Club. So this is not a mandatory club. It is a very chilled out club. So if any one of you have any interest in finance or investing and everything related to finance, you can always join the group and be a part of our family. And we have regular events. Right now, after the quiz, we are planning another event, so you can join from that event, uh, and and we'll be sure to express you can share your opinions about things, and we can have a good debate, and we can have a good discussion about how things are going. So yeah, you're all free to join, and we'd love to see you there. We'd love to see you in the meet.
Thank you for all of that, Celine. So anyone from the 5 a.m. club over here? Who's the next best person after Alekhya? I mean, whoever's the most
Is
involved in it.
Kushagra here?
Yeah, we'll just let you know, Ritam. Kushagra doesn't seem to be here. So Madhu, do you want to talk about it?
So basically, the 5 a.m. club is for all the early risers. There we basically talk about things. We do meditation, yoga, and all that kind of stuff, which helps you, chill your mind at the very beginning of the day and get you ready for the day. And yeah, we'll share the link with the Google Doc that we are going to share, and you guys can join in if you get up at time. Yeah, that's it. Also, basically, the formation of the club was basically due to the mental health stress that people get. We are all super, um, particular about mental health issues. We have also events about it. So, yeah, if you guys have any issues related to mental health, you can reach us, and we will get you professional help by IIT Madras only. So yeah, and don't stress about anything, assignments and all. You can leave 1 or 2 assignments, just don't stress about it. Just be cool about all these things. And if you am again pointing it out that if you have any kind of mental health issues, please reach out to us. We will definitely help you. Yeah, that's it, I guess.
Yes, feel free to reach out to us if you feel any kind of stress or anxiety.
Yes,
Don't reach
also,
out to us for
sorry,
answers
Anshuman.
for assignments. Yes, Madhu.
Yeah, we are not going to provide you answers and stuff. There is an academic support that you are confused in any question and you need any help solving it. You can reach out to us. We will share the solutions and the strategy how you can solve it. But we won't give you answers and all. That's very unethical and prohibited by ITM. So don't expect that from us. Besides, if you guys don't know, IITM has a ambassador program. You can promote IITM BSc online degree in your college and schools कोई होगा ही नहीं, colleges, and you will be the ambassador there of this degree, and you will, after you complete it, by all means, you will get a certification from IIT Madras. So we'll also let you know about this more in the group only. So yeah, we will keep you updated. Just please follow us on the Instagram handle and YouTube channel. You will get updated about all the things. Yeah, that's it.
Yes, thank you so much, Madhu. And yeah, I guess that's it. I'd really like to thank Umang, Celine, Madhugandha, Bhairavi, Kunal, Utkarsh, Vishesh, all of the people who made all of this possible, this event, and all of the relevant links will be shared with all of you. Okay. Uh, yeah, yeah, and like Celine mentioned, and like I did earlier as well, feel free to reach out to Alekhya, Amit, or Krishna if you wish to. And yeah, thank you so much, guys, for joining. All of the relevant links will be shared with all of you. Again, your first priority is just join your group and join Sundarbans too. And after that, if you wish to join any of the clubs. And yeah, with this, I'm going to stop recording. Um, Thank you so much. I'm just going to stop recording, and then after that, if any of you have questions, we'll take them one by one. So I'm going to stop the recording. Thank you so much for joining.